The best spark plug of 2026 is not Iridium. It uses a metal most drivers have never heard of and often costs the same as the plug you were about to buy. Pick wrong, you pay through misfires, rough idle, and wasted fuel for 80,000 miles. So today I am counting down the 6 best spark plugs of 2026, ranked with OE engineering data, trade press reviews, and reports from working mechanics. Another surprise waits at number 5. One of the cheapest plugs on this list carries a 7-year guarantee. I will expose one heavily advertised plug mechanics, keep pulling out of misfiring engines, plus a tip that protects you from counterfeits. Product links are in the description. Number 6, Motorcraft Platinum and Iridium Spark Plugs. If you drive a Ford or a Lincoln, this is the least complicated decision you will make all year, because Motorcraft is Ford's own parts brand, and these are the exact plugs your engine was designed around. Every Motorcraft plug is built to Ford engineering standards and matched to a specific engine, meaning the heat range, gap, and electrode design were validated on your motor at the factory. The Platinum versions use a fine wire center electrode with a platinum pad on the side electrode, and the premium versions add an iridium enhanced center electrode for slower wear. The shell is nickel plated to fight corrosion, and Ford rates service intervals between 60,000 and 100,000 miles depending on the plug. Here is the detail most buyers miss. Motorcraft backs these with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty that includes labor. Almost every other brand covers the part only, so if a plug fails at 40,000 miles, you eat the shop bill. With Motorcraft, Ford helps cover the labor too, and for an F-150 owner paying shop rates, that is real money. Pricing generally lands between $6 and $12 per plug, and if you are someone who prefers walking into a store and holding the box before you buy, every major parts counter in America stocks them. The honest downside, if you do not drive a Ford product, there are better matches on this list, and the technology here is proven rather than class-leading. For Ford owners, though, this is the safe, correct answer. Number 5, Bosch Double Iridium Spark Plugs. This is the surprise I promised because the value here is hard to believe. Bosch puts an iridium firing pin on the center electrode and an iridium inlay on the ground electrode, which is why they call it double iridium. And Bosch's published data shows that pairing lasts 4 times longer than a standard copper plug. The ultrafine wire design needs up to 24% less voltage to fire, which matters on modern coil-on-plug systems, and the firing pin is attached with a continuous 360-degree laser weld, so the tip stays put under heat and pressure. Now the surprising part, these usually sell for around $8 to $12 per plug, which makes them one of the lowest priced dual precious metal plugs in America. Yet Bosch attaches a 7-year customer satisfaction guarantee, plus a 1-year technician warranty on top. Nobody else in this price bracket offers 7 years of coverage. They come pre-gapped, the nickel-plated threads need no anti-seize, and the design is matched for modern gasoline direct injection engines, so installation is a screw-in-and-done job. They shine brightest on European vehicles, because Bosch is the factory ignition supplier for much of the BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, and Audi world. So there you are, essentially buying the original part. On Japanese and American engines, they still perform well, but double-check the exact part number for your engine, because heat range matching matters more there. For budget-focused buyers who still want premium metal on both electrodes, this is the sweet spot of 2026. Number 4, AC Delco Iridium Spark Plugs. AC Delco is to General Motors what Motorcraft is to Ford. So if your driveway holds a Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Equinox, or any Chevy, GMC, Buick, or Cadillac, these are the true original equipment plugs, designed, engineered, and validated by GM's own engineers for your specific engine. The Iridium center electrode handles a very high melting point with excellent wear resistance. The tip is laser welded for precision and durability, and there is a clever detail most brands skip. A 3-piece fired-in suppressor seal that meters spark energy, blocks combustion leakage, and suppresses radio frequency interference that can confuse modern vehicle electronics. The warranty is where AC Delco quietly beats almost everyone. GM backs these parts for 84 months, that is 7 years, with unlimited miles, and the first 24 months include labor. GM is confident enough to cover this plug for 7 years, no matter how far you drive, and prices typically run $10 to $15 each. One critical warning, straight from GM's own service guidance, these arrive pre-gapped, and you should never attempt to re-gap them because bending that fine iridium tip can destroy the plug before it ever fires. Just verify the part number, torque it to spec, and drive. The trade-off is the same as Motorcraft. Outside the GM family, application coverage thins out fast. But for GM owners asking which plug is perfect for me, the answer was decided in Detroit years ago, and it costs less than a fast food dinner per cylinder. Number 3, NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plugs. NGK is the largest original equipment spark plug supplier in North America, and Laser Iridium is the line automakers actually install at the factory. If you drive a Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, or many BMW and Mini models, there's a strong chance a laser iridium was screwed into your engine on day one. The construction explains the reputation. A laser-welded iridium tip sits on the center electrode, and a platinum pad is welded to the ground electrode, so both wear surfaces are precious metal. Iridium is roughly 6 times harder than platinum, and the payoff, according to NGK's published specifications, is a service life of 80,000 to 100,000 miles with stable idle, quick starts, and low emissions. A 98% pure copper core pulls heat away from the tip, corrugated ribs, stop flashover misfires, and NGK uses triple gasket sealing where most competitors use 2. Independent Automotive Press reaches the same verdict, noting the dual precious metals are why laser iridium outlasts NGK's cheaper Iridium 9 line. The catch is price. Laser iridium generally runs $12 to $20 or more per plug depending on your engine, so a V6 refresh adds up. You're paying for exact factory behavior, not for performance gain, because a healthy modern engine will not run better than stock. It will simply run exactly like stock for another 100,000 miles. For owners of Japanese vehicles who want zero guesswork and zero risk, this is the gold standard answer, and it is stocked in nearly every physical parts store if you prefer buying in person. Before we reach the top 2, here is the plug I promised to name. E3 spark plugs, the ones with the open cage-style ground electrode, are advertised aggressively with claims of extra horsepower and better mileage, and they are recommended endlessly in comment sections. But on the largest engine maintenance forums, experienced mechanics tell a different story, describing customer cars, coming back within days misfiring and running poorly, then instantly running right again after conventional platinum or iridium plugs went in. No major automaker installs them at the factory. When every OE engineering department passes on a design, that silence is the review. Marketing is not testing, so spend your money on plugs that car makers actually validate. Number 2, Denso Iridium TT spark plugs. Denso builds the factory plugs for Toyota and Lexus, and the Iridium TT brings their patented twin-tip design to the aftermarket at a price that embarrasses competitors. The center electrode measures just 0.4 millimeters, the smallest mass-produced in the world, and it faces a 0.7 millimeter platinum needle on the ground electrode. 2 needle tips facing each other means the spark meets almost no metal on either side, so the flame kernel grows freely in every direction instead of getting squeezed against a flat electrode, an effect engineers call quenching. This is not marketing talk, it is measured. In Denso's published testing on a 4-cylinder engine at idle, the twin-tip design cut combustion variation by roughly 3% and lowered fuel consumption by about 2.4% versus their own standard iridium plug. The alloy matters too. Denso blends iridium with rhodium in a patented formula that survives temperatures beyond 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The tip is attached with 360-degree laser welding, and the plug is rated to last beyond 100,000 miles. Now the price, and this is the shocker. Iridium TT commonly sells for $8 to $12 per plug, frequently cheaper than single-tip premium plugs. One fair note for heavy load drivers, a few veteran installers report faster tip wear in certain hard-driven engines, so if you tow constantly or run boost, inspect them earlier. For everyone else, dollar for dollar, this is the best measured performance value in the 2026 market, which is why it sits at number 2. Number 1, NGK Ruthenium HX spark plugs. Here's the surprise I promised at the start. The best spark plug of 2026 does not use iridium at its core. It uses ruthenium, a rarer metal that resists heat, oxidation, and wear better than the iridium everyone assumes is the ceiling. Modern engines run hotter and leaner than ever, which quietly shortens the life of traditional platinum and iridium plugs, and ruthenium is NGK's patented answer to that heat. What makes the Ruthenium HX genuinely clever is that it is 2 different plugs depending on your engine. The DFE version, double fine electrode, is tuned for naturally aspirated engines, maximizing ignitability and reducing emissions. The PSP version, projected square platinum electrode, is built for turbocharged and supercharged engines, positioned to survive the extra heat of forced induction. No other plug line on this list changes its physical design based on how your engine breathes. Engine Builder magazine, a trade publication for professional engine builders, reports the design concentrates spark energy for a more complete fuel burn, and the results are quicker, throttle response, smoother idle, and better cold starts, with retailer listings rating service life up to 120,000 miles. Every plug passes combustion, vibration, and thermal shock testing in an ISO-certified facility before sale. Real owners back this up. On the largest oil and maintenance forum in America, one Lexus owner replaced tired factory plugs and reported a 2 mile per gallon improvement with a silk smooth idle, and long-term users treat these as the plug you install so you never touch that engine again. The final surprise is cost. At roughly $10 to $16 per plug, the newest technology in the industry often matches NGK's own laser Iridium. And independent automotive media notes the twin-tip construction on certain high-cost laser plugs shows up on Ruthenium HX at about half the price. Newest tech, longest rated life, same money. That is why it wears the crown for 2026. Before you click away, here's your secret buying tip, maybe the most valuable 60 seconds in this video. Counterfeit spark plugs are flooding online marketplaces, and fake NGK and Denso plugs look nearly identical to the real thing until they destroy an engine. Both manufacturers have publicly warned about this. So follow 2 rules. First, if a price looks too good to be true, walk away. Real premium plugs are never $3. Second, buy only from authorized sellers. Major chains like AutoZone, O'Reilly, and Advance. Trusted sites like Rock Auto, or the listing sold directly by the brand. And whichever plug you choose, never regap a pre-gapped fine wire plug, and always install with a torque wrench because an over-tightened plug can crack, and a cracked insulator kills even the best plug. So here is your decision in one breath. Ford owners, grab Motorcraft. GM owners, grab AC Delco. European daily drivers on a budget, Bosch double Iridium with that 7-year guarantee. Japanese vehicle owners who want factory perfection, NGK laser Iridium. Best measured value, Denso Iridium TT. And if you plan to keep your car for the long haul, NGK Ruthenium HX is the last plug you may ever buy. Check the links in the description, confirm fitment with your exact engine, and I will see you in the next one.